Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this portable SSD drive. This one is 512 gigs. Alright, so right here we have the portable SSD drive. This one here has an ultra fast speed up to 1,000 megabytes of data transfer. This is compatible to any Type-C devices, whether it's an iPhone, Android. This one here works with everything, as well as an Xbox 360, PS4, anything that takes a Type-C. This one does have a swivel design and it is travel ready. This is an ample storage for outstanding performance. You can take this on the go if you need to transfer files, movies, music, or anything you want to transfer. This one here is offered in several different colors as well as sizes. They've got 64, 128, 256, and 512. They offered in black, red, and also a 3-pack. So you can see that this one's super slim and lightweight. It is easy to carry with you on the go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect it to my iPhone. One side is a Type-C, the other side is a USB, but since I'm going to connect it to my iPhone uses a Type-C. So I'm going to plug this into my phone and I'm going to transfer over a file. Again, this one has 1,000 megabytes of high-speed data transfer. This thumb drive of 512, it minimizes your waiting time to boost efficiency and productivity. So I'm going to go all the way over into my files. I'm going to click on my files. So when you're in your files, this is what's on my phone. I'm going to take this file right here, the background music just for demonstration purposes, and I'm going to hold it down. So I'm going to click on move. So here's the move button. You can move, copy, and share. We'll go back into my iPhone. And then you'll want to scroll down all the way down to Untitled, which is what the drive is called. So I'm going to click on the copy, and then it'll already be in the drive. So let's go back into the Untitled, and you can see that the file is right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it and play it to show you that it still works when you transfer it on over. So let's go ahead and play that now. You can see that the file does transfer very quickly and it does play. So I'm just going to remove it from my phone. You can see where it says Untitled. That will remove it from my phone. So this right here is a really nice thumb drive. I like the fact that it has 512 gigabyte of storage. It is super easy to take with you on the go. You plug it back in and it'll pop up the drive. So you don't need to download anything to open up the drive. Just plug it in, go into your files, and it should pop in right there. So this is the portable SSD drive. If you're looking for a nice drive, especially with high storage, I would highly recommend checking this one out.